So you have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and you have an issue where you have a black screen here. Even though you have a black screen, you know the watch is on. Maybe you can hear notifications coming in. Maybe you can feel it vibrating, whatnot. The only thing is the screen just will not turn on. I'm going to give you guys several solutions to get you up and running right now. First thing to mention is that this here watch is actually fixed, but let's pretend I have a black screen here, okay? So step number one, what we want to do is we want to press and hold these both buttons. Press and hold and do not let go until we see a Samsung logo. Okay, we're basically restarting it. So let's pretend my screen here is black. Both buttons are right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go until we see a Samsung logo. Let's pretend my screen is still black here. I have no idea what's going on. Just hoping a Samsung logo appears. Still holding both buttons. Samsung logo. Go ahead and let go. And hopefully now you are up and running. If not, we're going to go to the next possible solution. Okay, so if you still got a black screen, the next thing we want to do is this, okay? First thing is you have the power button here, the one that's on top. This is the power home button here. This one here is the back button, but this up here, power home button. First, go ahead and spam it, okay? So spam it, press it in and out. Because it's possible you got something, the power button could be jammed, stuck, loose. You can get water in there, sweat, hand lotion, coffee. Anyway, spam that for a little bit. And then again, at the same, now, after you spammed it, then we're going to do the same thing. Press and hold both buttons and do not let go until you see the Samsung logo. We'll do it together again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Press and hold. Do not let go until you see a Samsung logo. Pretend my screen is black here. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just waiting for that Samsung logo to appear. There it is. Go ahead and let go, and hopefully it boots up normally, and you are now out of the black screen. If not, I'm going to go to the next possible solution. Okay, so if you're still down, the next thing that we're going to try is we're going to try to wipe the cache partition, okay? Some of you guys will be able to get there, some of you guys won't, but just try, okay? So how you get to the cache partition, or how do you wipe the cache partition? It's very simple. What we got to do is first press and hold both buttons again, keep on holding. As soon as the Samsung logo appears, let go of both buttons and then start tapping the power button. Just keep pressing it, okay? So we'll do it together, okay? Pretend my screen is black here, 2 buttons here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. Keep on holding till we see that Samsung logo. Let's pretend my screen is black again, waiting for the Samsung logo to appear. Once it appears, I'm going to let go of both buttons and keep spamming the power button. Okay, let go, and then spam the power button. Keep pressing the power button here. Okay, there we go. So this is the screen that we want. Now, from here, what you want to do, I hope you can see this. What we want to do is go down to where it says recovery, okay? Now, you can use the power button to just keep scrolling down like this. So just go to where it says recovery, okay? So we're going to go down to recovery right now. Okay, right there. Now it's highlighted in blue. Now to select it, we have to press and hold the power button. Okay, so press and hold the power button, and then it goes black. Just let go, and give this 1 second, and we're going to boot up into another menu here where we will be able to wipe the cache partition. Okay. Okay. Now listen very carefully before you touch any buttons. Okay, because now this way here, if you want to scroll down, we're going to tap on the bottom button here, okay, the back button. So you see you can go all the way down. So from here you can go down, wipe cache partition, okay? Wipe cache partition is highlighted right there. Now also take note, if you can get to the screen and the wipe cache partition doesn't work, you also have, let me go back, you also have a wipe data / factory reset that you can do as well, okay? Anyway, we're going to wipe the cache partition, so we're going to go down, wipe cache partition right there. Now to select it, just tap on the power button once, right there. Now this message saying, once you do this, this cannot be undone. Okay, no problem. So now if you want to highlight yes, then we have to press the bottom button here, highlight yes, and then to proceed, tap on the power button. Give that 1 second. Wipe cache is complete. Now it highlights reboot system now, which is exactly what you want. And then from here, just tap on the power button to go ahead and reboot, and it should boot up. And hopefully you are now out of the black screen. Now remember, if the wipe cache partition, if you're able to get that screen and you wiped it and it goes back to a black screen, then remember you have the other option. You can try a factory reset. Okay. Anyway, I hope one of those solutions worked for you. If one of those worked for you, please comment down or give me a thumbs up. Comment down which method worked for you. If it didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. We should probably have at least a 60-70% thumbs up. All right. Good luck, guys.